Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to use the decomposition tree visualization in Power BI. Let's get started. Decomposition tree is a great visualization that allows you to break down a selected metric into the factors influencing its value. In practice, this means we can analyze data at different levels of detail, moving from a high-level view to increasingly detailed categories.
Now, let's move to the practical part, our bike rental dashboard. We'll drag the average bike rental time into the Analyze field and the station's quarter and month into the Explain by field. Once we enter the visualization, we see a single value with a plus icon next to it. All fields available for clicking will be highlighted, and we can interact with them. We click the plus icon, and once we're in, we see the fields we selected earlier. We choose station name, and the visualization appears on the dashboard. If there is too much data, an arrow icon will appear, helping us navigate through the data. At the top, we can see the highest and most influential results. Each of these fields can be expanded using the plus icon. Now, let's add the quarter and then the month. What makes this visualization special is its interactivity. We can decide in what order we want to expand the categories, or use the automatic selection option, where Power BI will point out which factors have the greatest impact on the analyzed measure. If there are many variables, the scroll bar makes it easier to navigate through the data hierarchy. I will swap the order. Now, let's add the quarter first, and then the station. Additionally, Power BI offers several useful customization options. We can also lock a selected category so that it cannot be removed. As for formatting options, we can adjust the appearance of the visualization by changing colors and formatting. We can also change the analysis type to absolute, which works with numbers, or relative, which is a comparative analysis. Now, let's change the fields on our dashboard. By right-clicking on any field, we can show it as a table in matrix form. Also, we can copy it, format the visualization, and also use two buttons: Include, focusing on a selected item, and Exclude, removing it. The advantage of the decomposition tree is that instead of creating multiple separate charts, we can have everything in one place. This gives end users a lot of freedom to explore and discover hidden relationships in the data on their own.
Decomposition tree is an extremely useful visualization in Power BI that helps to better understand data. If you want to learn more about Power BI, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. See you in the next episode.